Welcome to my 5-minute series where I teach you how to do things in just 5 minutes, because who has longer to do some of these things than just 5 minutes? And guess what? There's gonna be no blabbering in these videos. We're just gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna show you how I transform this dry, frizzy hair. Look at this fringe. I'm gonna get it looking all voluminous and beautiful and smooth all this out in literally 5 minutes. I'm gonna spray some heat defense on this hair. I'm using this Philip Kingsley Perfecting Primer Heat Defense. Any products I use will be linked in the description. Just gonna give that a good generous spray. And surprise, surprise, I'm using the Dyson Airwrap and we're going for the large, round, volumizing brush. High heat, high speed, let's go. Clearly, just gonna wrap this round and pull it down. Have to be perfect. Just give it a few goes. And already, look how much smoother that is than this. Look at that beautiful big bit of bounce. The reason why I use this is because it is a heat defense and it's a priming spray, so it really helps with your blowout. Top and pull it forward. Then we're going to go underneath and pull it forward. Underneath, pull it forward. And look at that. That volume, that bounce. Brush. Hello. Hi YouTube fam. How's it going? And then we're gonna go in with this Philip Kingsley Frizz Fighting Gloss. So it adds shine and it really helps tame some of my frizz. So just one pump is plenty. Rub it into your hands and then just pull it all the way through. And just look how much shine that adds to my hair. And I'm just gonna pop it in this side. There we go guys, that is the do complete. It's all smoothed out. If you would like to see more on my little 5-minute series, I have some makeup ones coming up, some clothing ones coming up, some lots more hair ones. So make sure you hit subscribe if you want to see more from this series. Thank you for watching and I will see you next time.